So we've decided to come into the city today. We're going to do one of the street art walking tours. You do have some paid options if you want to be escorted around the city. Just look up somewhere on Klook. Otherwise, if you go to Walking SA's website, there's some maps that you can download that you can walk around self-guided, won't cost you a cent. So let's get to it. So down Perry Street we go. Alright, so we've just found another one on Devonshire Place. On the outside of a business called In Studio. Pretty cool. Unfortunately, the next one we've found is behind a fence, so very difficult to get a good picture of it. So we found another one. I think it's been damaged, but so we're at the east end of the city. This used to be an old fruit and veg market. They've left the facade there, and now it's full of apartment buildings. So our next stop on the trail, on the side of the Tandanya building. Murals of a famous Indigenous Australian, David Gulpilil. Alright, next stop, Varden Avenue. Pretty cool. So next stop, Frank's Lane. Well-known local identity. And the next stop on the same lane. So the next installation on the tour, just on top of a few shops there. So the next one on the tour sort of wraps around the building. the artist of the main mural. And then we got some installations just behind us as well. Got that one done with tiles. And that one looks like a paper installation. Alright, so we're now on Rundle Street, a very popular place for dining and some higher end shopping. So we're now on Vaughan Place. This is the Exeter Hotel, so there's one so this is on the side of a building. The Howling Owl Coffee and Gin Bar. Next stop on the trip. Next stop on the corner of Frome Street and Rundle Mall. Alright, the last one on our stop today. Just on Synagogue Place. So that's the end of our walk for today. Street art's pretty amazing, the talent that goes into it. We've only done part of the walking essay map, so we'll put all the links on the website for you so that you can, if you're coming to Adelaide, you can check out some of the self-guided walks. Otherwise, yeah, you can book guided tours through Klook. We'll put all the links in the description. So I hope you've enjoyed what we've done today. We'll talk to you again soon. Take care until then.